Yeah. So children, in work, power and energy, today we are going to do energy numericals. Children. Numericals on energy. Okay, sure. Let's start. First question. So children, first question is like this. Children. Yeah, children, first question is like this. A body of mass 50 grams is thrown vertically up with the initial velocity of 20 meter per second. Okay, children, calculate kinetic energy, initial kinetic energy, maximum height reached by the body, and also maximum height reached if 40% of the initial energy is lost. If 40% of initial energy is lost, how much height still it will go? Okay, children, like these questions. Sure. First question, children. 1 second. Someone join. 1 second. Yeah. So, children, first one. We know kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Okay, children. So, initial kinetic energy means half mu square, children. Okay. So, half into. So, mass is 50 grams. Convert into kgs by 1000. You should do, children. By 1000. And the velocity is 20, children. So, 20 into 20. Okay. 101010. This gone. This gone. This gone. So, kinetic energy is, children, 10 joules. Initial kinetic energy is 10 joules. Next. Maximum height attained by the body formula is u square by 2g. How you got that formula means if you want I will say children, we know v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, third equation of motion. At highest point, if you remember, at highest point, can anyone say what is the at highest point? Final velocity will be 0. At highest point, final velocity will be 0. And a is minus g because it is going against gravity. S is h, substitute in this formula. 0 square minus u square is equal to 2 into minus g into h minus minus gone. H is equal to u square by 2g. This is the formula for maximum height attained by the body. So h is equal to how much, children? U is how much? 20. 20 into 20 into 2 by 10 approximately. Okay, this is gone, this is gone. So 20 meters is the maximum height reached by the body. 20 meters is the maximum height reached by the body, children. Okay, next, what is the next question? If 40% of the initial kinetic energy is lost, if 40% of initial kinetic is lost against the air friction, what is the maximum height reached? Suppose if 40% is lost. See, children, we got 10 joules. In 10 joules, 40% lost. 40% lost means 60% is there. What is 60% of 10 joules? Anyone? What is 60% of 10 joules? Anyone? Ninth class students. What is 60% of 10 joules? Oh my god, people all became dumb and deaf. 6 joules. 6 joules. 60% of 10 joules, 60% of 10 joules is 6 joules. 40% is 4 joules. So 6% is only useful, children. If 6 is there, half into 50 by 1000 into u square. How much is velocity? 0, 0 gone. This is 200. This both will go here. U square is equal to 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Or else we'll write 6 as 3 into 2. This 2 has gone up. This 200 has gone up. Okay, children. So u is equal to how much, children? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 100. Okay, children. So u is how much, children? 2 2s are there. 1 2 will come out. 100 is there. 10 will come out. Root 6 will not come out. So 20 root 6 meters per second. If this is initial velocity, how much height it will go? If this is initial velocity, how much height is it will go? If this is initial velocity, how much height it will go? So we have formula h is equal to u square by 2g. Derivation also is showed, children. U square by 2g. U is how much, children? 20 root 6 into 20 root 6 by 2 into 10. Okay, children, 2 2 gone. Root 6 into root 6 is 6. 1010 gone. 60 meters it will go. If, okay, children, 60 meters it will go. Okay, children. What I did is correct or not, children? Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I guess something went wrong, sir.
Yeah, because
It's
60.
50 by 1000, sir. You wrote 200.
Where, Nana?
There's like 1 by 2 into
55,000 only correct. 5 by 200. Yeah, 5.
20.
20. This is 20, no?
20, sir.
Yeah, Nana, you can tell. No, Nana, understand. This is 20.
I saw right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, because here it is only going 20 meters. Means when 40% is lost, it should go less. That's what I got even doubt. I did here small mistake, children. Here I did a small mistake. So what is that mistake means? With 6 joules we should find velocity. With 6 joules we should find velocity. 6 is equal to half m v square. Okay, children. 0 0 gone. 5 20s are. So v square is equal to 6 is there, 2 is there, 20 is there. So v is equal to means initial velocity or whatever it is, initial velocity. 6 will write as 2 into 3, 2, 20 will write as 5 into 4. So initial velocity is equal to 2's are there, 1 2 will come out. 4 is there, 2 will come out, root 15. So u is equal to 4 root 15 meters per second. Now with this velocity, we will find out how much height it will go. H is equal to u square by 2g. U is how much, children? 4 root 15 into 4 root 15 by 2 into 10. So 4 into 4 into root 15 into root 15 is 15 by 2 into 10. 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 3s are 3 4s are. Now only 12 meters it will go. Initially it was going 20 meters. Now when 40% is lost, now it will go only 12 meters. Why it is losing means due to air friction. If no air friction, this much. If air friction is there, this much. Like this it is going, children. I hope you all understood. Okay, children, if full energy is used, it will go 20 meters. If 40% is lost, only 12 meters it will go, children. I hope you all understood, children. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Practice after the class. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question is there like this. Okay, what is the next question? A ball of mass, see children, all of you try to understand, a ball of mass 20 grams. Ball mass is 20 grams. Uh, from a height, falls from a height of 10 meters. Falls from a height of 10 meters. After striking the ground, it rebounds from the ground to a height of 8 meters. Children, after falling on the ground, it is rebounding again to 8 meters. Children. Question. First question. Kinetic energy of the ball just before hitting the ground. Just before hitting the ground. Kinetic energy of the ball. Second question is loss in kinetic sorry, loss in kinetic energy on hitting ground. On hitting ground, how much loss is there in kinetic energy? Third one, what happens to the loss in kinetic energy in the part 2? Okay, what happens to the loss in kinetic energy? So, children, this is the question. Chalo, build. So, children, to do this, you need, if ever do you remember, in kinematics, children, when I was teaching kinematics, motion kinematics, I told you one equation, velocity while hitting the ground. Those who don't know, those who don't remember, I will teach you once again. So, V is equal to V square
A
minus
square minus u square is equal to 2as.
any freely falling body is equal to U is equal to 0, children. So, V square is equal to 2GH. So, V is equal to root of 2GH. This is the formula for finding velocity while hitting the ground. Any body, velocity while hitting the ground will be this much. And kinetic energy while hitting the ground. Formula is half m v
Half
square.
mv square.
Half m v square is how much? 2gh.
2gh.
Okay, 2 to gone. So answer is mgh.
mgh.
So kinetic energy while hitting the ground is 20 by 1000. Why by 1000? Anyone? Convert grams into kgs.
Kgs.
Okay, 10 and height is 10, children. So 3 zeros gone. So kinetic energy on hitting the ground is 2 joules.
2 joules.
Okay, children, kinetic energy on hitting the ground is 2 joules. Okay, children. So after hitting, while hitting, what is the speed we will find out, children? While hitting, what is the speed, children? Root of 2 into 10 into 10. So we root of how much is this, children? 10 root 2. So v is equal to 10 into 1.414. V is equal to, it is hitting with 14.4 meters per second, children. It is hitting with 14.4 meters per second. Okay, children. Now, what happens, children? So, how much I got? 2 joules. The kinetic energy of the ball just after striking the ground. So, what happens, children? Using this energy, okay? How much height it will go, we will see. How much height it is going, children, after rebounding back? How much height it is going? 8 meters. So, let's find
Eight.
potential energy mgh. Mass is how much, children? 20 by 1000. G is, and this is 8. This is gone, this is gone. 1.6 joules. Children, all the kinetic energy after hitting converts into potential energy and raises the ball. So 1.6 joules. See, try to understand. All the kinetic energy while hitting converts to potential energy and makes it to rise from the ground. So what is the loss in kinetic energy? 2 minus 1.6, 0.4 joules is loss in kinetic energy. What happens to lost kinetic energy? All the kinetic energy is changed into potential energy. All the kinetic energy is changed into potential energy and made the ball to rebound back. All the kinetic energy is changed into potential energy and made the ball to rebound back. All the kinetic energy is changed into potential energy and made the ball to rebound back. Like this. Hope you are listening, children. If you listen, it's good for you. Third question. Third question, children. Yeah. A ball of mass 0.2 kg. A ball of mass 0.2 kg is thrown vertically up with the initial velocity of 20 meters per second. Calculate the maximum potential energy. Maximum potential energy. Children, potential energy formula, anyone? What is the formula for potential energy, anyone?
mgh.
Very good. mgh. Children. So H is maximum height. What is the maximum height formula it gave, children? Now only u square
H is
by
equal to u square by ag.
a square by 2g. Maximum height formula is u square by 2g. Okay, children, substitute here, children. So maximum potential energy is equal to mg into u square by 2g. G gone. Maximum potential energy is equal to mass, how much, children? 0.2 means 2 by 10 kg. Velocity is how much, children? 20 into
20.
20 by 2. This
2,
this
sir.
gone, this gone. So maximum potential energy attained by the body is 400 joules. Maximum potential attained by the body is 400 joules after reaching to maximum height. Okay, children, maximum potential energy is attained 400 joules after reaching maximum height. 400 joules after reaching maximum height. 400 joules after reaching maximum height. Try to understand, children. Concept. Next question. Fourth question. A stone of mass 500 grams. A stone of mass 500 grams. Okay, is thrown vertically up with a velocity of 15 meters per second. With a velocity of 15 meters per second. Calculate the potential energy at maximum height. Second question. Kinetic energy on reaching the ground. Kinetic energy on reaching the ground. Third question. Total energy at its halfway point. Total energy at its halfway. Total energy at its halfway. Okay, children, sure. Okay, children. So, children, just now I told potential energy at maximum height is equal to mgh. H formula what I told? U square by 2g. So mg into u square by 2g. So gg gone. So half mu square is the maximum potential energy. Let's calculate how much. So potential energy is equal to half into 500 by 1000 because convert grams into kgs into u square. U square is 15 into 15. Okay, children, this is gone, this is gone. So 75 into 5 by 2. 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 36, 375 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. So maximum potential energy is 187.5 joules. Okay, children? I think it is wrong, children. What I did is correct for me, children. 500. Because in the answers they give 56.25. Did I do any mistake, children, anywhere? Any mistake, Ellie? Yes. Any mistake, Ellie? Yes, children.
Sir, yes, sir. 75 into 15, sir. You wrote 5.
No. Okay, okay. I did mistake. What is the mistake? Means again we do. So potential energy is equal to half mu square question. So half into 500 by 1000.
1000 into 15 into 15, sir.
Yeah, this is 2 za. So 15, 15 yeah,
220, 225.
by 4. That is 56.75 joules.
56.75. Yes, sir.
56 points, no, 25. 56.25 joules. This is maximum potential energy at maximum height. Now another question is, on reaching the ground, what is the maximum kinetic energy? How much is the potential energy at the highest point? Same will be the kinetic energy at the lowest point also. Same. And anywhere in midway also, it is 56.25 joules only. Anywhere you take, the total energy will be 56.25 joules only. Whether in the top point, whether at the lower point, and anywhere in the point, its total energy is constant. If ever you remember, once I showed you total energy at position A, B, C, I showed you constant. So wherever you take, total energy always remains constant. So top 56 means down also 56, middle also 56, anywhere it is, total energy remains constant. That is called law of conservation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only it changes from one form to another form. Okay, children, next question. Please concentrate, children. A metal ball of 2 kg mass. A metal ball of 2 kg mass is allowed to fall freely from rest. Okay, it is falling from rest from a height of 5 meters above the ground. Taking G as a 10. Question is, find the potential energy possessed by the ball when at rest. When at rest. Second question is kinetic energy of the ball while hitting the ground. Kinetic energy while hitting the ground. Okay, so ball is allowed to fall freely from rest from a height of 5 meters. Okay, children. So question is, so children, initially you are holding the ball at 5 meters from the ground. Initially you are holding the ball 5 meters from the ground. What is the potential energy? So what is the potential energy formula, children? mgh.
MG.
2 into 10 into 5. 100 joules. If you start releasing the ball, it starts for all the potential energy converts into kinetic energy. On reaching the ground, it even hits the ground at with 100 joules only. It even hits the ground at 100 joules only. And anywhere in the middle also, how much it will be, children? Anywhere it will be?
100 joules.
Anywhere it will be 100 joules
The same.
only. Because total energy remains constant.
Constant,
Total energy
sir.
remains constant. Total mechanical energy remains constant. I told you also now, only just now. Okay, children, next question. Next question. Next question is like this, children. What they are saying means, um, one second, children. A hydroelectric power station takes its water from a lake whose water level is at height of 50 meters above the turbine. So children, this is turbine. Here water is there, 50 meter. Okay, so height is 50 meter indirectly they give. Assuming the overall efficiency of 40%, efficiency of machine is 40%. Children, means 40% only will be used. Calculate the mass of water which must flow through the turbine each second to produce a power output of 1 megawatt. 1 megawatt. 1 megawatt means 10 to the power of 6 watts. 1 megawatt means 10 to the power of 6 watts. How to do this question? So children, the efficiency of the machine is 40%. Means whatever work it do, only 40% only will become useful. Remaining will go in sound, heat, this. Okay, children. So power formula, children, work by time. Power is equal to
Work by time.
mgh
MGH.
by t. How
Yes,
much
sir.
energy is useful, children? Efficiency 40% means only
40%, sir.
40% of the power only useful. 40% of the power only useful is equal to mass is how much, children? He is asking mass only. And G is 10.
10,
Height
sir.
is 50. In
50.
1 second.
1 second, sir.
Okay. 40% of the power only is useful, children. Achha, 10 to the power of 6, no, I'm sorry. Power is given as 10 to the power of 6, children. Power is given as 10 to the power of 6. 40% of 10 to the power of 6. Sure. 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, this both will come down. So 4 into 10 to the power of 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 110, here 110, here 50. 1 2 3. So this three gone, children. 5 8s are 40, 800. So mass is 800 kg of water per second it will draw if 40% is efficiency. How much, children? 800 kg of water, because it is 40% efficient. 40% efficient I got like this, no? Let's check, children, once, because mistake is there. 40, 60 will take, if 60, 1 second, children. Well, let's check with 60, children, because 40% is, if this goes down, 60, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 by, here already 100 is there, and 500 will come down. So 4 zeros, 5 2 are 2 6 are 1200 kg. 1200 kg, let me check. That is also wrong, children. We see some, assuming overall efficiency of 40%. Children, answer is 5000 kg they give, children. They gave 5000. We didn't get, we got 800 or 1200, but they gave 5000. Anyone have any idea, children, where we went from? Any idea, children, where we went from? Okay, 1 second, I will answer. Where we went wrong means, no, children, they have not given anything. No. Check. Children, are you able to hear my voice? Anyone? Kindly confirm.